Hi, welcome back to our series on Wellness Drops, exploring mental health and the 8 dimensions of wellness. We're going to be talking about social wellness. The symbol is three people with connected hands. When hands are connected with each other, what do they reflect? What do they represent? They represent friendship, harmony, networking. And that is why all these are coming under social wellness. Now, social wellness is the ability to perform social roles effectively and comfortably, but without harming others. This wellness is also the ability to build healthy relationships based on interdependence. It is mutual. It includes being aware of the feelings of others. Here, since we're talking about social wellness, we are not talking about our feelings and awareness of our feelings. Here we're talking about being aware and taking cognizance of the feelings of others, of people around us in our ecosystem. Whether we know them or not, that is irrelevant. We may come across people whom we don't know and whom we know as well, because that will help us develop a network of friends and co-workers in organizations, because we are all there to share a common purpose or a common goal. And it is these people who are in an ecosystem who will provide support in our times of need and who will provide validation when we need it. It also refers to the ability to interact with people around us. It involves using not only good communication skills, it also involves having meaningful relationships, respecting yourself and others as well. It also deals with creating a support system that includes not only our family members but also our friends and in fact even colleagues or even our superiors in the organizations that we work for. Social wellness primarily follows certain tenets. It is to do with contribution to the common welfare of our community that we are dwelling in. It also deals with living in harmony with not only ourselves but in harmony with others and with harmony in our environment rather than to live in conflict. We need not feel bad about seeking the help and support of the people who are around us in a social circle. Where you are in situations where you are stuck and you don't know what to do and you want a helping hand or you want a shoulder to cry on, it is perfectly okay to seek the help of the people who are in your social circle regardless of who they are. It is important that you feel comfortable with them. Only then you'll be able to share, seek help, seek support, overcome the problem and then continue to live in harmony with them. We'll be back with more. Do subscribe to our series on Wellness Drops.